Hello students, this is the fourth video in the series of Vedic Maths tricks, and in this video we are going to learn the tricks that we can use for some specific type of multiplication, that is 2 digits into 2 digits multiplication. For example, here when the sum of the unit digit is 10 and the tens place digits are same. If you have got multiplication of 2-digit numbers like this, where the sum of the unit digit, here 8 and 2 are the unit digits of these numbers. So if you add 8 and 2, it becomes 10. So this is one type of a problem in multiplication of 2 digits. Okay, and also the tens place digits are same, so this should be same. Tens place should be same and addition of units place should be 10. If it is like that, then how do we do that? Next, you will be having when the unit digits are same. See here the unit digits of 37 is 7 and of 77 is 7. So these are same. And the sum of tens place digits is 10. So 3, the tens place of 37, and this 7 for 77. So 3 and 7, if you add, it becomes 10. So these two types of the problems will be there in multiplication, and to multiply this, it is very easy. Okay, so let's see. This is your type number 1. As I told you, that when the sum of the units is 10 and its place digits are the same. So in this type 1 problems, what you have to do is very easy. You are going to multiply these two unit digits and you will write, okay, the product whatever it comes. 16 is coming, so you will write 16. Now the next step will be multiply any of the tens place digit to its next number. So because this number is 6 here, so 6 and the next number is 7. So when you multiply, whatever you get, you will write over here. So the result is 4216, that is 4216. You can check. Okay, the same trick we can use for this multiplication of 74 and 76. What I said, just recall that we are going to multiply these unit digit numbers and we will write down. 6 times 4 is 24, we will write. Next, what? Because the tens place digit will be the same, so take any of them and multiply it to the next of that or successor of that. You can say the 7, the next number of 7 is 8. 7 times 8 is 56, and that's done. I hope you understood. What we did here is actually I multiplied 6 times 4, wrote 24. Okay, that went over here, 24. Here what I did, took the tens place digit, okay, and multiply it to the next number. Next number, whatever it came, okay, it went over here. That's it. So you are doing nothing. Very easy. And if I give you some numbers like, for example, 93 multiplied by 97, now you can easily write the answer, isn't it? Yes, what will be the answer? Tell me. Yes, 21 for this two multiplication of 3 and 7, and 9 times 10. That will be 90. I hope you understood. Okay, so whenever these kind of questions come for you, you are not supposed to go through orthodox method and give lots of time. Okay, this must be done in 2 seconds kind of. So let's move to the next type of the questions here. This is type 2, where you can see that this time the units place digit will be the same, whereas the addition of the tens place digit is going to be 10. 6 plus 4 is 10, 7 plus 3 is 10, 2 same, 6 same. Okay, so what do we do here? For this type 2 problems, what we are going to do is very easy. Again, you will be multiplying these two unit digits place and write over here. Okay, if it is coming like 2 times 2 will give you only 4. It is a single digit number, right? But we have to write over here 2 digits. So 4 can be written as 04 in 2 digits. Okay, so we are going to write here not only 4 but 0 4. Okay, the value is same, 0 4 is 4, but make sure that you are using 2 digits number when you multiply this and write the product. Clear? And what will be the next step? The next step will be like this. We will multiply the tens place digits. Okay, 6 times 4, that is 24, and we will add one of the units place digit. Here it is 2, so we will add over here 2 and write the final number. So the final number is going to be 26, and that is your answer. Now let's learn the trick one more time doing this sum. Okay, 6 times 6 is going to give us 36. It is of 2 digit number, so there is no need to use 0. Okay, 3 6 2 digits number. The product is 36, so we will write 36. Now what I said, you will multiply the tens place digit as well, but you have to add one of the units place digit. So 7 times 3 is what? 21, and 21 plus 6 is 27. Isn't it? What we did? For this 36, we multiplied 6 times 6. Okay? For this 27, what I did? 7 times 3, the tens place digits got multiplied, plus one of the units place digit is taken out. Okay? So it is going to give you 27. This gave you 36 and this gave you 27. That's it. Okay? It's very easy. Now take one example and do this. Suppose that I gave you 9 as units place digits. Suppose I give you the number like 89 multiplied by 29. Think. Now suppose I gave you one multiplication of 89 to 29. What you will do? Yes, I think you can do it now. 9 times 9 will give you 81, and 8 times 2 is 16, and that 16 will be added to this 9. Okay, so 8 times 2 is 16 plus 9. How much? Yes, 25. Okay, so 25, 81 will be the answer to this. Very easy. Okay, so if you use this trick for this kind of problems whenever it comes before you, I think you can do it in 2 seconds, not more than that. Okay, so I assume that you have learned the tricks that we use on these 2 types of specific problems. Okay, now the type of the problems will be multiplication of numbers near base 100 and 1000. So as I told you, near the base is, it means the number that is around 100 and the numbers that is nearby 1000. Okay, for example, here 97 and 92 are very much near to 100, so we can call these numbers as the numbers on the base of 100. Okay, for example, here 998 or 997 are the numbers very much near to thousands, so we can call these numbers as the numbers near the base 1000. Likewise, these numbers are on the base of 10,000. I hope you understood this. Okay, so the first thing we have to understand is what is known as base and what numbers have been taken from which base. So here we have some problems which are of the numbers on base 100. Clear? Like 98 multiplied by 97, 97 multiplied by 97, 96 to 98, 89 to 99. 98. Okay, all the numbers are on the base of 100. In this type, we can see that the numbers have been taken that are less than 100. Okay, all the numbers you can see here. So what tricks we use to get the answer in 2 seconds? So here the numbers are 98 multiplied by 97. Now you can think that 98 is How much less than 100? If it is near the base of 100, it is 2 less than 100. So we will write 2 less as minus 2. Likewise, this 97 is 3 less than 100. So we will use it like minus 3. Okay. Now see what you are going to get the answer like. These two numbers which we have written down here, okay, minus 2 and minus 3. If you multiply, you get 6, right? These numbers are on the base of 100, so the product will be written in 2 digits. Remember one thing, okay? Now you have one thing to do. 98, take the crosswise, okay? Do it like this crosswise. 98 and minus 3. How much do you get? You can write 98 minus 3, okay? Or you can do this way as well. 97 minus 2. 97 minus 2. In both the cases, you will have 95 and that you will write. And that's your answer. That's your answer. You can do the same here. See what I said? That see how much less is the number from 100 that you will write. 4. How much less this 98 is from 100 that you will write. 2. You will multiply these two numbers. First of all, you will multiply these two numbers. Okay? And write down over here. 4 times 2 is what? 8. Do we write 8 as 8 only, or we have to write it in 2 digits? No, we have to write in 2 digits. Okay, why? Because the numbers are on the base of 100. And by the way, we use the product of 2 digits here. Okay, in this case. So 8 will be written as 08. Now what was the next step? The next step was we will go crosswise. Either this or this, no matter what. Okay, if you use this 96 as positive and this 2 which is written here as negative, 96 minus 2 is going to be 94. Likewise, you can see 98 minus 4 is also 94. So you can write 94 and that's your answer. Okay, so what we did here? Yeah, I can write over here 96 minus 2. Or 98 minus 4. Anyhow, you will get 94, which you have written over here. Clear? So now this is the same kind of stuff. You can see here this is 3 less. This is 3 less. Again, 3 times 3 will give you 09. Okay, not 9 only. And now you go this way or that way. Okay, you will get 90. So you can see here that it is 11 less, I guess. Yes, 11 less than 100. And this is 2 less than 100. 11 times 2 is going to give you 22. So you will write 22. Now you go this way or this way. You will get the same answer. Either 89 minus 2, that is going to give you 87. And now you can check from here whether we get 97 or not. 98 minus 11 is 87. Okay, so either way, whichever you think is easy for you to get the answer, you can do that. So 8722. You can just feel that you just took only 2 seconds to get this kind of a big multiplication problems, right? So this is the magic of Vedic Maths tricks. If you practice on this, you can become master and also smarter in your classrooms. You will be praised by your peers and the class teachers as well. Okay, you will feel some confidence in you that you can do something which others cannot do easily. Okay, let's move to the next type of problems. Now, the numbers are on the base of 100 only, but this time it is more than 100. In the previous slide, the numbers were less than 100, but here we can see the numbers are more than 100. So what do we do? Here you can see this is how much more than 100 that we will be using as positives. Okay, now how much more is this number from 100? 102, 2 more. As we did, we will do here again. Okay, the same process. We will multiply these two and write in 2 digits. That is the rule. So 4 times 2 is 8. We will write not 8, 0. Clear? Now you will see same process. You can either add this to this or you can add this to this crosswise. If you go crosswise, 104 plus 2 will give you 106 or 102 plus 4 will also give you 106. Okay, so either way we can go and write these numbers. So we found the answers. Yes, this is the answer. You can check in your calculator. The moment you type all these numbers in calculator, the answer will be ready if you use the math. If you use this Vedic Maths tricks. Okay. Now see, I think you can do it yourself. Yes, correct. This is plus 3. We can write. Here we can write plus 7. When you multiply, you can use the product as 21, 2 digits product. No need to put 0 here and there. And now 103 plus 7 will give you 110. Okay, that's your answer. For this, you can see this is 11 more than 100 and this is 8 more than 100. 11 times 8 gives you 88. You will write 88 and either you add this to that or this to that, you will get the same answer. 111 plus 8 is how much? 119. Clear? And for this, I would like you to get me the answer and write in the comment box. Now, let's see what we have in the next slide. In this slide, the numbers I have selected for you are on the base of 1000, which are near or around 1000. See, this is more than 1000, this is less than 1000. Rule will be the same. Okay, so just remember what was the rule. We have to just write here the extra number than its base. So 1003 is what? 3 more than its base number, that is 1000, and this is 2 more than its base number 1000, isn't it? We multiplied it. Okay, after multiplying we will get the product as 6, but because we are dealing with the numbers that are from the base 1000 which has 3 zeros here, it means the product must be written in 3 digits. So for that 2 digits we have to use 0. Okay, so that the value is not altered. 6 or 006 is same. Okay, value wise. Now you know this cross method. If you go and add 1003 to 2, you will get 1005, or if you add 3 to 1002, still you will get 1005, and that is your answer. Okay, now when the number is less than 1000, okay, the same thing. We will see how much less it is from its base number 4. How much less it is from its base number 1000? 2. We will multiply these two numbers. We will write the product, making sure that the product is of 3 digits. It is of single digits, so we will use 2 zeros to make it of 3 digits. Now crosswise, if we go, becoming fast, you can see that 996 minus 2 will give us 994, and that is your answer. And I hope you can do this question and this question on your own. So I'm just giving you this as your homework, as a practice. Here also you can practice as a class work. Okay, so hereafter I want you to get introduced to one kind of a number that is on the base of 10,000. See, as I told you, you can increase the bases. Okay, the number will be different, the number will be bigger, but you have to follow the same rule and you will get the answer still in 2 seconds. Okay, so let's see what is there. So we have got 2 more numbers that are big. It is on the base of 10,000, that we can easily understand that this is 10,009 and this is 10,012. This is 9,997, 9,989. Okay, this is something less than 10,000 and this is little more than 1,000. Okay, so we will like do the same stuff here. We will see how much less it is. How much less? 3 less. Okay, minus 3. How much less it is? 11 less. 11 times 3 will give us 33. Because it is of the base 10,000, there are 4 zeros. It means the product must be written in 4 digits. But here we have only of 2 digits, so that 2 extra digits will be written as zeros. Okay, now it's okay as far as multiplication of these extra numbers are concerned. Now we will go crosswise. Okay, now whichever you find it easier for you to add or subtract, you can get it right. Now when you subtract 3 from this number, you can see 9,986 will be your answer, isn't it? So that is easy. Likewise, here we can see that this is 9 extra than 10,000. This is 12 extra than 10,000. When we multiply 12 times 9, how much is it? Yes, 108, right? 108. 12 times 9 is 108. So it is of 3 digits, but we have to use the product as of 4 digits. So that one extra digit needs to be filled with 0 here. Okay. Now again, yes, you go this way or that way. Your answer is ready. So 12, 9 makes it 21. So 10,009 plus 12 will give us 10,000. Tell me 21. So 10,021. And that's your answer. You can check it in your calculator. Okay. So these two questions were on the base of 10,000. Okay. Base 10,000 you can call. So that's it in this video. I have tried my level best to give you some tricks that will be very much useful while calculating for this kind of particular questions. See you in my next videos with some more interesting tips and tricks based on Vedic mathematics that we also call speed math technique. Okay, so till then, keep learning, keep practicing, and also keep watching my videos. See you in my next videos. Bye, take care, and thank you for watching.